What is going on, guys? Cubester Cube here. Today I'm back with another video. Today's video I'll be showing you all the cubes I got for Christmas today. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing I got is not actually really a cube. It's here, I'll show you. It's this really nice Moyu mat. So I'll be setting it up and it'll be my new background, so let me do that quickly. Okay guys, so I got my mat set up, kind of. So the reason why it's so far down was because I have two poles right here, like you can kind of see, like I have one right here and the other right here. So I can't actually, and the mat's really long, like it goes all the way down here, covers my whole desk. So I can't have it, I can't have this centered first of all, or else that would hang off. I don't want it to. And I can't have this pushed up anymore because of these poles right here, or these wooden whatever. So this is as good as it's going to get for now. But steady that. Okay. Right there. Yeah, so that was the first thing I got. Second thing I got was another Moyu thing. It was this timer that looks not good, but it's actually pretty good. Turn it on. You don't push it down, it's like censored. It's like, put my hands, go. It's actually a pretty good timer. Yeah, it's new. Actually, I don't know if it's new, but I mean, we bought it brand new. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna stick that. There's slots at the front of this mat to stick it on. I'm going to be using that for my solves as long as my laptop with here. And I'm getting to cubes, so I'll go in order of when I got them. So like the first one I opened to the last one. So the first one I opened was this Chi-Yi X-Men Volt Square one, which I don't know how to solve. And I mean, these layers are pretty good, but the slice on this is unbelievable. Like, think of the most smooth cube. Like, if you have one of these, you probably know. Think of the most smooth cube you ever had, and then like double it, and then you get the slice move on this. It's just so smooth. These ones aren't as good. I mean, they're still pretty. They're still pretty good, but they're not as good as the slice moves. So yeah, I would recommend picking up the square one if you were thinking of getting a square one. It's so nice. So I don't know how to solve it. I tried to learn, but I mean, I had to go a lot of places. So yeah, that was the first cube I got. Second one I opened up was actually, yeah, I do have two more upstairs, but it's not really anything. It's just like a really small cube. Like, I think it's the smallest mass-produced Rubik's Cube in the world. It doesn't turn at all, actually. Like, try to turn it so bad. So that one doesn't really work. And then I have a fidget spinner, which is also a shape-shifting Chi-Yi cube, 3x3x1, so like, you know, the floppy cube sort of. Yeah, it's like that, but it's also a fidget spinner. That's pretty cool. But then after that, the first one I opened up was this Wuxia 2x2, which non-magnetic. I don't know why I wanted the non-magnetic ones. I did ask for the non-magnetic. I don't know why. I just really like 2x2s. I don't feel like they need magnets as much. I mean, like, I like this one a lot. I'm just still debating if whether this is going to be my main, because I just got it. Probably going to need some setup and stuff over my GANs here. They're not quite the same height, but pretty close. So yeah, I'm still debating over my GAN is my main now. Still debating over this one or the Wuxia. Yeah, but the Wuxia is a very nice 2x2, very solid. Would definitely recommend picking this up. Yeah, very nice. Turns really nice and smooth. Corner cuts, 45, a little bit over 45. Reverse, about there. Yeah, very nice 2x2. Definitely would recommend picking that up. Then I got this one. This is the Gogon Yuexiao Pro magnetic. The magnets are pretty weak, but it's a very nice cube, pretty smooth. I mean, for the price that it is, it's not too expensive. Definitely would recommend picking this up. I would recommend all these cubes that I got, actually. It's very nice. definitely would recommend to any of you guys that want a cheaper cube that's still really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend this one. I was just playing with it upstairs before I came down here to make this video, and I was just like constantly like, because it's so smooth. But this next one was the one I was most excited for, and the one that continued to be the most exciting for me. Actually took the spot on my new main already. I did actually set it up already though. This GAN RSM is no longer my main. It's been pushed aside, and we are now using the Moyu Weilong GTS 3M. Such a nice cube with the magnets, such a pretty good magnets. You can just turn it so fast. I got first average of 5 I did on this. Sub 20 average of 5. Not even joking. It was like a 19.0 or 7 or something like that. And my best average on the GANs was 18.88. So this was so good. And then I unscrewed the whole entire thing. So I took all the things out of the core because there was some spring noise on it when I first unboxed it. So I put all the lube around the spring head and everything. Put it all back together. Said this, it comes at 1. And 1 was pretty like I don't know how to call it. Like, not necessarily loose, but like flimsier. So I set to 6. Yeah, I set to 6, and 6 works for me. Tensions, I mean, pretty solid tensions. It's such a nice cube. My new main by far. Why did the white center cap just pop off? Questions? I have questions. Anyways, yeah. And it's something I found weird was this center cap's actually round. Like the inside of it, if you can see that. Actually round, so I always get messed up because it can go on like any way, and then so like I could put it on like it doesn't really fit, but like I could put it on like sideways like this, but it doesn't actually fit down, but you can just turn it around till it fits. So it's I got confused a little bit there, but it's such a nice cube. I would take it out, but even with it being on this loose of tensions, you literally can't take a piece out. It's so well built. I said that on my GANs. But GANs, you can actually like take a piece out, and put it back together. This one, in order to take a piece out to disassemble it and lube the screws and the springs, I had to take a screw out. Like I had to unscrew it first. And yeah, I just can't say enough good things about this cube. My new main, probably once I set it up and everything, it was my new main instantly, just like that. No breaking required. It did take setup though to beat the GANs SM. But yeah, and then I do have one more which I got, which replaces this 4x4. So this was my old 4x4 main, the only 4x4 I actually had, the Chi Mini Thunderclap. But that is no longer my main for 4x4. I got this cube here, the Aosu GTS M. Not the GTS 2, just the original one. But I don't know what people are saying. People are saying that this cube is bad. I'm like, what do you mean? Like, it can corner cut really good. You know, like about line to line there. Reverse, about there. Like, corner cutting, I mean, it's not spectacular, but it's just, this turns so nice. The magnets are perfect. And I can, like, execute my algorithms way better than I can execute them on this 4x4. Maybe that's just good to what I'm used to. This 4x4 that catches constantly. I mean, this is a decent 4x4. It's a good budget 4x4, but this one, just, I love it so much. Yeah, so this is my new 4x4 main. So, out of Christmas today, I don't think it's going to be uploaded on the 25th, but as of right now, it is the 25th, as if you might be able to see on my watch. Definitely cannot see that, but it does say the 25th. December 25th. So Christmas is today. So I got one new main, 2 new mains. I guess 3 if you want to count this. It's my first square one, so I guess you could count it as 3, and possibly a main. Maybe not though, because I do really like the GANs still. So yeah, yeah, I would just go back to solving this cube, and this is the best. The ridges, you actually, if you're contemplating getting this because you might not like the ridges, it's hard to notice it, but it's really hard to notice it, but like sometimes you do, and it just makes a difference. Like I actually like turning it better. This cube is just so smooth. It's like, and the magnetic click, it's like so satisfying. Yeah, so that's the 3x3 I got. This is the other 3x3 I got, the UHCL Pro. Pretty good cube. Actually, a very good cube. It would be, this is my backup main. Be my backup main if I didn't actually own an AirSM, which I do, because, you know, AirSMs are pretty cool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with my new mat and everything. I'll have to try it out. Hope you guys like it. I'm sorry about this part. I really can't do anything about that, because, like I showed you, I can't put a mat this size, like, into there, because it'll just crumple it up and stuff. So I can't actually do that. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing anyways, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!